All right, this is a day that I definitely don't want to do this. This is day 3 of my cold plunge. I believe it's day 3. But I had to skip a day. I had a bad back, still have a bad back. I think this is going to be good for it. But the reason why I didn't was because I felt like if I got in, I might not be able to get out. So today it's cloudy. It's probably around 65 to 68 degrees out. It's been raining all day. So the mood is different. I don't want to do this right now. I totally do not want to do this. Anyone that says that they want to do this, I think they're lying to themselves, or they've just got a different type of brain, because I don't know anybody that would want to get into 48 degree water right now. I told myself I have to go in for at least a minute. I've actually reduced the amount of time just because I'm like, something's better than nothing. I can definitely do a minute. But if I get through the minute, will I be able to push through? So if anyone else has felt this, I'm curious. Leave it in the comments. Again, I have no idea if anybody's going to see this. This is more or less for me to have this as a countdown. It's been recording for a minute 25. We're at about a minute 30. So I should probably get in now. So yeah, here we go. I'm just going in. That wasn't as bad. My breath's gone. Okay, I got it. I move my arms. Woo, that gets cold when you move. When you move around. And I just dipped. And the mood is definitely different when you're in cloud cover. There's no sun. It's cooler out. At this point, it really doesn't matter. So right now, I've been in for almost a minute. And it doesn't feel like a minute. It feels a little bit shorter, or a little bit longer, I should say. All right, I think we got it. So let me kind of do some math. I got in a little bit past a minute 30. That means I need to stay in. If I want to stay in for 3 minutes, I got to stay in for 4 minutes and a little bit more than 30 seconds. So let's see if I can do it. Whoo! Today I really did not think I was going to do this. You want to hear something funny? The reason why I decided to do it was my daughter came down and goes, "Hey, do you want to do the cold plunge today?" I was like, "Really? You really want to do it today?" And she's like, "Yeah, I think so." And I'm like, "I don't know if I want it today." And now I decided I got to do it. So here I am. Let's see if she does it. 3 minutes 30. Okay, cool. Okay. Past the shock. Body's numb. Hands, everything is really cold. I'm looking down at my legs. They look really stiff and cold, but I'm moving. I'm moving. If I can get to 5 minutes on my stopwatch here, that'll mean that I've been in for 3.5 minutes, I believe. 3.5, 4, 5. Yeah, about that. Let's see if I can do it. Woo! So yeah, let me know in the comments. Have you ever had a day that you just said, "I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it"? And how many days a week do you do it? I was going to try to go 7 days in a row my first round, but I didn't do it because of my back. It's supposed to be good for my back. But I'm looking forward to the hot tub in a little while. I'm going to go in the hot tub probably tonight, probably about 3 hours from now. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm past the point of like, I got to get out of here. But it's still hard. Really, really hard. Whew, I just dipped down. I'm just trying to dip down. Yes. Yes. Woo. Time is going slow though right now, I'll be honest. I'm almost at the 5 minute mark. So if I'm at the 5 minute mark, Past my 3-minute mark. 3 minute is my minimum. I said only a minute, but look at me go. I'm gonna go to 5 minutes 40, and that'll put me at about 4 minutes. Okay. Whew. But I gotta be honest, I'm past that stage of like, this sucks, I can only stay in for a minute. I'm past that stage. My breath is good. I'm gonna feel good that I did this. But man, I'm not gonna be looking forward to tomorrow. I'll be honest. All right, 5 minutes 30. 5 minutes 40. I'm out. Yep. Oh my gosh. And I'll be honest, my back feels stiff, like locked up, like I gotta be careful. All right, that totally sucked, but here I am. I did it. I'm done. I'm out. Let me know. Have you had days where you said, I'm not going in today? I had one of those days today, but I did it, baby. I did it. Let me know in the comments.